Hi, I'm Nicole Coomber. I'm an associate clinical professor in management and organization at the Robert H. Smith School of Business.
My name is Lola. I'm a student. I'm in third grade. I make the best lemonade. I think I could be the world's most famous lemonade seller. I sell my lemonade on the block, but I want to sell my lemonade all over the world. How do I start my lemonade business?
How do you start your own business? I can help with that one. That's a question we get a lot where I work. Makes sense, right? Because we are a business school, the Robert H. Smith School of Business. We help people who want to make their small business bigger or their smart business even smarter. And sometimes we meet someone who has just a little bit of an idea like you, an idea about a possible business like Lola's Legendary Lemonade.
I like that. What's next?
Phase 1 is ideation, which is all about ideas. And here's some questions you can consider. What energizes you, excites you, or maybe frustrates you? What customer experiences have made you think there has to be a better way of doing this? What social issues or problems do you feel really passionate about? And what are some times when you've said, "Oh, I wish they would fix this"?
People like my lemonade because it's sweet, but not too sweet. Sometimes I add another fruit like raspberries and strawberries. But I don't add too much ice, but I always make sure it's cold. I put my logo on all of the cups.
Now you've got it. As they say in entrepreneurship, though, ideas are a dime a dozen. It's the execution that matters. And we're on to phase 2, which is implementation. This is where we get the lemonade stand rolling. You'll want to test your business idea in the most inexpensive way possible. Let's start by adding a Lola's Legendary Lemonade stand on another block that's similar to yours. We'll follow the prototype that you've already created with the lemonade stand you're already operating. We can worry about fancy packaging and other goodies later. Let's see how popular Lola's Legendary Lemonade is in a new location.
How do I tell people about my lemonade stand, Miss Nicole?
There's a lot of different ways that you can do that, and that's what we call marketing at the business school. So you could pass out flyers on your street. You might post some posts on Instagram or on other social media sites. And the tried and true way of getting the message out is to use word of mouth. And that's where people just tell one another about it. So maybe you spread the word with your friends, tell them about the great lemonade, and ask everybody to tell 5 friends about how great your lemonade stand is.
There's only one to me. How do I get other people to help me?
One of the hardest things about being an entrepreneur is knowing when to get other people to help you out. So you want to think about who is the right fit, who do you get along with that you can work with, and who's going to bring something new to the team. Maybe they have friends in a different neighborhood. Maybe they have a different skill set and are used to dealing with money. And so you might want to split the profits with them or give them a share of the business as it expands. Maybe you could pay them in lemonade. At Smith, we tell entrepreneurs, don't wait until your product is 100% perfect. Build 80% and then let customers tell you what the other 20% should look like.
I can change the way how my lemonade stand works.
100%. It's always smart to be thinking and rethinking. This leads us to the final phase, which is iteration. That's business speak for changing things once you're already a lemonade mogul. A successful venture never stops developing. The business model has to be continually reviewed, improved upon, and scaled to keep ahead of the competition and adapt to an ever-changing marketplace. Always pay attention to trends and always listen to your customers. If you serve your lemonade with a straw of all of your lemonade stands over all the world, do you think people would prefer to have a plastic straw or a paper one?
Definitely paper.
Now you've got it. Companies that adapt survive. This is critical for all businesses, not just startups. And at every phase, remember, work hard, do your homework, and believe in yourself. And if you do all of that, the rewards can be pretty sweet.
Thank you, Miss Nicole. I'm super excited for my lemonade business.
You're welcome, Lola. Good luck with Lola's Legendary Lemonade.